Hello fellow teachers, my name is Teacher Rika and I'm the Referral Star of 2020. I would love to share my story with you and provide you with some tips and tricks so that you can be successful at referring too. I started teaching at Landi in March 2020 and I joined the Referral Program in June. Now I am first and foremost a teacher, and before I joined the program I wanted to be certain that I fit the part and that I was able to provide lessons which are fun, interactive, and I wanted to be able to create an environment where learning can take place. I love being a teacher at Landi, and to me this is the most important reason for referring. I'm passionate about growing the company together with the amazing Landi staff. Your attitude towards the company will definitely be a determining factor in successfully referring. Now, referring is also a great way to boost your income, and I'm sure we can all do with a little boosting. There are a number of ways in which you can reach potential applicants. Number one, just tell everybody you know how much it means to you to work at Landi English. Tell them how much fun you are having while making a stable income. Number two, you can advertise on job seekers platforms. Number three, you can follow the route where you post videos on social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You can even create your own channel. Now, just a note on making videos, make sure that they are short and to the point. There's nothing as irritating as having to watch a 20 or 30-minute video where you need to extract the information that you are looking for. And then number four, get creative. I'm sure there are many more ideas in which you can get your link out there and have potential applicants use your link to apply. You can follow the guidelines in the previous module to find your referral link on the Landi website. On the same page, you will then be able to see the email addresses as well as the dates and the status updates of the specific applicants that used your link. When applicants click on your link, they will be redirected to an application page where they will be able to apply by filling out their details. I believe that referring is not just about boosting your income, but as I mentioned before, to help grow the company and also to provide guidance to these applicants. I made a point of contacting every single applicant that used my link to provide support in the hiring process. One of the difficulties I faced was interpreting the status and answering the questions from the referrals. I received a very useful information sheet from the referral team. It helped me a lot with understanding the status of these applicants. And this in turn provided me with accurate information and gave an indication whether the applicant needed additional support, encouragement, or a gentle letdown. I don't want to provide false hope and encourage applicants to continue with the process if they don't actually fit the profile. The Landi recruitment team is always very willing and very able to assist with general questions or even queries regarding specific applicants. I learned a lot from them during my time referring, and the email address with which to contact them is also found at the bottom of the Landi referral page. Another difficulty is that the applicants don't always understand the process. They sometimes just register on the website and don't complete the application page. So they will then need additional encouragement to go back and complete the initial application. Their applications are then reviewed and they will receive an email telling them to, or inviting them rather, to book an interview, or they will just receive an email telling them that they don't meet the criteria, unfortunately. So your job as a referring teacher will become very interesting from here on, as you will get to coach and help the applicants prepare for their interview. Remind them to use TPR, to use props, and to smile, smile, smile. And I know that this is very rewarding for me, as I am also financially rewarded, and it is a very great honor to be able to assist other great teachers to join the Landi program. For many of us, this can be quite time-consuming. So I committed and I managed to check my emails and to help applicants twice a week. But you can do it any way that works for you and that works for your schedule. By managing my time in this way, I'm not constantly pressured into spending time on this aspect. Another important aspect of referring is finding the right target group. Now, when I first started referring, I advertised on a job seekers platform only. And a large amount of the applicants that applied via my link did not meet the basic criteria. They did not have bachelor's degrees and they did not have ESL certificates. To date, I've had 335 applicants apply through my link. So that's great, but I realized that I have to target teachers, people interested in teaching, and one of the questions that I asked the applicants is, do you like children? Now this is very important, as it's not only a job that provides a stable income, but working as a teacher at Landi is a career choice. And we all know the detrimental effects that it can have if you work with children and if you do a job that you intensely dislike. So it has a negative effect on you as well as the students. So that is an important aspect. Find the right target group. And I think by now you realize that referring takes a lot of time and patience, but I assure you that it is very rewarding. It is definitely worth the effort. Through referring, I've met interesting people. I had the privilege of getting to know the recruitment team better, as well as getting to know the system. And I feel very honored to be a part of the Landi team. I know how high the standard is, and I am challenged every day to maintain that standard and provide a high quality of service. Thanks for watching this video. I hope to see you at the referral program. And come and join us, because you might be the next referral star, the star of 2021.